Welcome back to the channel, Samrazi Fashion YouTube channel. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my tutorials, and I want to also say thank you to all of you for subscribing to my channel, my old subscribers. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So today's tutorial we are learning how to make a simple BUBU gown, short gown. Please watch this video to the end.
So we are cutting BUBU. So I'm doing the length, taking the length. This is the length. The length is 34. So that is the length. So I will continue to get the length. So this is the length, 34. So that is it. So what we just want to do here now, because it's not a big deal of cutting this style. So what I'm doing, I just want to mark the neck. So this is the neck that I'm marking. You mark. It's a round neck that we are cutting, the front and the back, because the body is already folded, like the fabric is already folded into 4. So that is it. So to bring the neck down, that is the cleavage, I'm marking 2.5. I don't want it to come down like that. I want it to have that up neck. So that is the 2.5. So this is the body measurement that we want there, because it's a BUBU. So what we have here, everything here is 14.5. So we continue to show it 14.5. So the measurement there is now is 14.5. That is the body of the fabric that we are using now. It's a BUBU, don't forget that. So now what next? It's just to slant the shoulder side. So this is the slanting. So I've slanted it. So we're done with it. We're done with the length. Don't forget the length is 34. So what I'm doing here now is just to cut it out now. After cutting it out, we'll go to the machine and stitch it. So I'm cutting the neck. So this is the neck that I'm cutting here. So please don't forget to subscribe, make a comment. So after cutting, what next is to go to the machine and stitch. So that is it. We've cut it. So I'm just going to open the other side of it, and it will be ready to go and stitch on the machine. So I'm opening the other side of it. So that is it. Don't forget to subscribe, watch my video, and watch the other previous video that I'm doing, so that you will learn more on this channel. So I've opened it. I'm done with it. So it's very easy to cut your BUBU. So it's a BUBU that we are making. So that is it. It's done. So let me open it for you to see. So that is it. That is the neck. So you can see. So what we will do, just go and stitch it and stitch it and stitch it out. So you can see it's done. This is beautiful. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.